Good morning, children. Hope you all are safe at your home and eat healthy food. Take necessary immunity precautions to save your health. This chapter is algebra. Already we have learnt in the 7th standard the basic knowledge about algebra. If I say X, Y, Z, you will say alphabets. These are alphabets. But in maths, we will use for 3x, 4x, 3t, 4y. So, like this, if I tell you, you will suddenly say that these are variables, these are expressions, these are terms. Okay? Oh, yes, it is. These are parts of algebra. Terms, like terms, unlike terms, consonants, variables, addition of like terms, subtraction of like terms, multiplication. Even we have seen multiplication itself in 7th standard. Isn't it? Are all of you remembering? If not, you just open your 7th standard book and go through the lesson algebra. Here in the cup, I have put some letters for you. These are consonants, variables. This picture is taken from your book only. So now you open the book, go to the lesson algebra, turn the page and try these workout. Pick from the bowl and write below the bowl in the table. Like terms, unlike terms. Isn't it? Can you do it? Okay, here is an example I have given it to you. X squared, comma 4x squared. This x squareds are same variable. Okay. So I have written in the same line. And next like terms are a squared b squared, comma minus 5a squared b squared. Both a squared b squared and minus 5a squared b squared are like terms. Unlike terms, if you are saying x squared comma a squared b squared, these are unlike terms. Okay. And keep it in your mind that always you can add like terms. Always you can add like terms. See an example. You have 5 chocolates. Your sister have 9 chocolates. Totally, how many chocolates do your family have? 4 chocolates plus 9 chocolates, 13 chocolates. These chocolates refer to variables. That 4 and 9 are constants. Understand? So, this is the way you have to add like terms. Understand? Okay. In 8th standard, we are going to see multiplication of algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. Expression means combination of terms, maybe like terms or unlike terms, by bonding with addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. Gives you an expression. Okay. Multiplication of algebraic terms. If I have taken two terms, x and y. X is one term, y is another term. X has positive symbol, y also has positive symbol. So I have to multiply x and y to deliver my answer. Plus, plus, plus into plus, plus sign. And x and y gives us xy, not x plus y, xy. Okay? X and y. So plus into plus, first you have to multiply the sign symbol. Next you have to multiply the variable constants. Next you have to multiply variables. Understand? Three terms, three rules you have to keep it in your mind while you are multiplying algebraic expression. First one, you have to multiply the signs. Second one, you have to multiply the constants. Next, you have to multiply the variables. Okay? The terms may be have like terms or unlike terms. But when you are keeping these three rules, you will get the correct answer for your multiplication question. Understand? So, like signs, plus into plus gives out plus. Like term, like signs, minus. One minus and another minus, when got multiplied, it gives out plus symbol. Minus into minus, plus. Minus into minus, plus. Understand? Next, unlike signs. One is plus, another one is minus. If a term has one plus symbol and the second term has minus symbol, you have to multiply the symbols first. So first, plus into minus gives out always a negative sign. When a positive sign is multiplied with a negative sign, you will definitely get minus symbol only. Understand? So here also minus into plus, minus sign. Here is an example for you. X power m into x power n has to be multiplied. First see the sign, plus plus, both are plus. Variable constant is there? No. So 1 1. If any constant is not visible, put that 1 near the variable. 1 is the constant. So 1 x power m into 1 x power n gives out. Power rule already you have known that in 7th standard. X base are common, so you have to add the power m plus n. Understand? Next one, x power 3 into x power 4. What do you have to do? Say, tell me. Base is x, power is different, 4 4. X base, put the same base, and power, for power you have to add 3 plus 4, x power 7. Okay, this is the way of multiplying two terms. Like what? We have to multiply an example, 4x squared with xy. 4x squared with xy can be written in many forms. 4x squared in a bracket and xy in a bracket. Write both terms in brackets or separate both terms and multiply in between. Multiplication symbol in between. Otherwise, any one of